Let's learn how to divide the number 104 divided by 5 using the long division method. See that 1 is less than 5, so we will consider the number 10. We know that 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Subtract, we get 0. Now this 0 is less than 5, so we will bring down this adjacent 4 here. Look that this is the number 4. So we will remove this 0. As this 4 is less than 5, but as we have brought down this number 4 here, so we need to divide it. We know that 5 times 0 is equal to 0. Subtract, we get 4. But look that we have no number to bring down here. So in this case, we will borrow 1 0, and for that we need to put a decimal here. And we know that 5 times 8 is equal to 40. Subtract, we get 0. As we get the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 104 divided by 5 is equal to 20.8, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.